Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today is part 3 of my review for One Day Saving. So we have 2 pre-stamped cross stitches. I'm trying to make everything fit on my desk here. Somehow it's just not working. Alright, so this first one, I will take it out of the bag. I'm trying to figure out how that happened. It is a full coverage. Hang on. And here is the picture. Isn't that pretty? Look at all the pinks and turquoises and blues. And it's just a house on the edge of a cliff, and it's kind of built up, and it's got this lovely pink flowering tree and some flowers over here, and then you got your clouds all in pink. So yeah, it's a 40 by 46, and this one was, it's called Cloud Cabin, if I could just talk. It was $8.55. Comes with a nice, I was going to say nice pattern, but does have a whole full page instructions. So I thought that was nice. 42 colors. Now this would have to be blown up a little bit. I mean, I can read it, but for others, maybe not so much. This paper pattern will match your canvas, so that's good. But lots of lovely, lovely colors in this. Lots of turquoises. And it looks like it's almost square, doesn't it? Almost. It's just a tad bit longer. And it has 310, 550, 823, no 939, no 3771, or 3865. But very well printed. This is easy for me to read, but others might have to blow it up, but that's fine. Let's take a look at the colors. There are 2 needles here. Hang on. I want to move that picture. Isn't that pretty? Love it. Just loved all the colors in this. I'm trying. They're all mooshed together. We're trying. So we have some teals and dark blues. Some tans and browns. But look at all the purples and the blues. Shades of blue and turquoise and teal. And the pinks and purples. Just absolutely beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. And it is full, well, I think, yeah, it's full coverage. I had to think about that a minute. I thought maybe there was a white section, but it's actually a colored section. So, full coverage. And it's not very big. You see here, very well printed. Let's put it right side up. It does have a picture here, but they did not put the color chart running down the side or anything. It's not serged, but nice big key. Very darkly printed. Very easy to read symbols. Doesn't look too confettied compared to some that, some that I have had before. It does have larger areas. So yeah, it's cool. And I like that it's dark printed. Some I've gotten at, one point or another have been fairly light printed. So these are very nice and darkly printed. 46 centimeters, or 18 1/8, or by 40.5, or 16 inches. Actual picture size is 39.5, which is 15. by 34 or 13, about 13 and a half. So it's not too big, but I just fell in love with all those beautiful colors, all the purples and pinks and blues. It just, and it looks fairly simple to do. This would be a great beginner project because it's not changing colors. You know, you might have a little splash of that, but nothing like New Orleans. Yeah. Or the cat on the couch. Yeah, just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Yeah, let me get this out of here. So much easier to see. I'm going to put a picture of this here. All right. This is a 40 by 53. As you can see, it's a house with an umbrella. It's just kind of whimsical looking. I'm leaning more towards these whimsical things. Just kind of off and on, you know. But there's a lot of detail. I don't know how that's all going to go. Nice, big, huge pattern. Does have a big section on how to start, how to stitch, how to separate your thread, what to do after you've got it all done. Yeah, just beautiful. It has 40 colors. It has no 310, no 550 purple, 820, which is close to a navy blue, 939, and no 3865, you know, for your white. They're using 3072 as like an off-white color, but very nicely printed. This one's way bigger than the other one, and it is full coverage as well. Make sure you were all the way out there. But yeah, I think it's going to be beautiful with 40 colors. And this is called Small Kingdom, and it was $10.91. But I like that you can see all the symbols really clear. You can see them clear over here, and the colors of the threads. There is a picture, but I'm sure you won't be able to see it at all. Nope. Let's see here. Oh, let me turn this around. It does come with a little kit with 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. And we have a little deer this time. Isn't he cute? Whoa, there goes my scissors. I forgot to move them. Look at all those beautiful colors. I swear sometimes I only buy them just before all the pretty colors in there. Hang in there. Gotta get it unwound. We're trying. We're trying. Okay. Isn't that pretty? Look at the golds and the blues. It's almost got the same colors as that last time. Except there's less purple in this. And less, well, there's more turquoise and teal colors. And then we have lots of greens. And some reds. Just beautiful. There's some purple. And some more purples. I think that's 154, I'm not sure. But just beautiful, beautiful colors. And it looks fairly easy, you know, to stitch both of these. Let's see what the canvas looks like. But aren't those beautiful colors? They just all meshed so well. But there is a lot of green in here. And it's kind of up and down. It does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. There's a bit of confetti, you know, scattered without, but it's not insane confetti. Like every third one is something else. But just beautiful. This is serged all the way around. 40 colors, and the stitching does kind of go into the DMC numbers, but it's very easy to read all the symbols, and the symbols on the canvases are very nice and easy to see. And it's a heavy-duty canvas, just like the last one. Let's see if we can measure this one. So it is... get the thread away from me. 53, right on the button, by 40 and a half. Yep, 40 and a half. Actual picture size is 47, which is 18 and a half by 34 and a half, which is close to 13 and a half. So not too big. Not too big at all. And there are some big areas. I'm trying to roll up my thing. You know, big areas to stitch. So there's a lot of thread to this. And then you've got your mixture right in here, basically, because everything else is kind of strung out. You know, bigger areas with, you know, 3 or 4 colors just to shade it. So very nice. Very nice indeed. But that is a lot of green. What can I say? Yeah. I like that. All right. Now, OneDaySaving does have diamond painting cross stitch in pre-stamped and counted, also paint by number. And they also do custom. I'm not sure if they do custom in all 3 of those. They have paper quilling. They have some beaded cross stitch. And they have tools for diamond painting and cross stitch. I'm not sure if they have tools for paint by number or not. Some stores, you know, might carry just a small selection. But yeah. And they have free shipping on orders over $50. And sometimes they have free shipping, not free shipping, that's not what I mean. Like if you buy $50 worth, then you also get 2 free gifts plus free shipping. So that's pretty cool. So do check them out. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me all these beautiful kits over these last 3 parts. I greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.